tuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntubwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntubwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende kensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukonyagwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gokwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucuri go busongo iyo erange neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Kipi kinachokusababisha ukose imani na mimi?
Hivyo vitendo vyako.
Kwa hiyo ndio maana umeamua kunificha kama mkeo anaumwa.
Unasemaje? Nilichokuambia nimemaanisha.
Mimi ninachotaka ni kupona kwa mdogo wangu na si vinginevyo. Kwa hiyo shemeji, tekeleza ulichoambiwa.
Shemeji, yaani mimi kuongeza mke wa pili ndio tiba ili mke wangu aweze kupona? Sasa hii ni dawa au ni masharti? Mimi sikutaki kukuoa wewe kwa sababu ya kufanya mapenzi. Lengo la mimi kukuoa wewe ili kumponya mke wangu ambaye ni mgonjwa.
Una uhakika ukinioa mke wako atapona? Na asipopona je?
Ka ekerekiga nekerto tebianga onsi kabere gago korekana gakora singenchunga naye anonsia sole wika onyare go buata kererimo ekara Getembe Television gegochora kokobeka koba namba emo chinga kichonsi chikuruko Mkate Enock na nsabaye manyeri akurukonera Wilson Makori nekero togochaka ase Ekeonga Chinsa Inye. Ekanisa ya basabato aba Adventista ase a conference ya South Kenya yerensi union ya East Kenya Union nigolit koliarero ya korobocholi bwae bwe Queen yuego chiko chaka bono wika omwaka o 2030 Queen nege kake miaka 5 ase abarai ao bagosoa ase obarai yobo wika bakul oyo kabeire omo nyakirogo gakuru kwa Dr. Paul Kiage nigo bonega kora na omonto kurukwa nganera Pastor Stephen Ongige oba omo nyakirogo omoya asika kemiaka 5 obo liki gobwarenge nse ya Pastor Dr. Leonard Aincha nigo omo pastor oyo kabera sensemo yabasae Pastor Job Obara airali bagelio na boigo yorenge omo ugachi bwe conference iyo Pastor Elijah Onyancha atigara koba omugachi bwensebeyo para ibande bachorwa asensemeyo ngamona Dr. Willis Oruta pastor oyo tigara ensema education evangelism egoyero na Eddie Orina samo yabasaye bono ganyormo pastor omoyo somo director omoyo korwa Eliakim Maeta. Publishing nigoyero na Pastor William Mabuka, Ministerio nigoyero na Pastor Christopher Nyaribo, Stewardship nigo yo ase Pastor Stephen Ongige, arenge bono nigo chikora na Pastor Gilbert Machuka. Women na Children Ministry nigo chikora na Pastor Jen Moebi. Gavana we county ya Nyaribo moske Emos Kimomi Nyaribo nigo aganeirie aborokigwa bagokora matemo manene amaya nigo agoya kwana ekero aborokigwa guchiekera aborokigwa ba kirasi 12 bachakire gotemo kwobo ogotangani na balie ba grade 6 na 9 brachigo chaka eikigocha na boigo emeremo rasmi igochaka eikigocha.
Asamarieta injenamos Nyaribo mugavana Nyamira County. Abana baito wa form banza matema Kenya ngima. Ngo irenga kieye kubatakira amaya nakobagwisheria bayakore buyeno boremu naende baite banyare ko kogendera wichimote. Abana be scholarship yaito ya Nyamira County yo somi abana bosa twaro is progressing ya sana. Ipachi entangani ya ikere form 4. Abana 235 besikora shumba chibakora matemo. Toko batakira amaya baita matemo ayo. Sikora shibuye twa yasete asengencho twanyore to botakabore binyoro imea. Abana abo abange mbanje kwanda school asengencho ita abandi nechintakana ose ebarwete mechita rikwenyara. Yene progressing ya twaide step entangani baikere form 4 abarabuto batakira baita matemo bachimotwe basoma uchi university narika baranyare okonya abande na barabo biemono.
Ekeroto rekore county ya Nyamira aborokigwa balie bawe chigokora matemo y'umwako yiga nigo basemigo gwetanga kurwase bikoro by'ubungeneria. Ngagicha matemo abuyo nelio kubakonya gokoria buya akonyora machigo abo kwana somo gasorera chingaki cyo gotarira aborokiwa asensema gitutu cyo North mwanasiasa Joshua Makori nigo oboigo akwandra obuyebo gokoria buya ilio gochegwe konya mutubuna Daniel Ontiri abatumanye
buna amatuka konya gusuka Chinsa n'ekitageka aborokiwa nigo boigo bagenderete kweroboria bosio bo matemo manene yo mwakoyo kubatekana nayo babwatani au nigo boigo barase chimbero ko ene kibuna babaikiranga se chinga kichi noyo bwangoiga no mwana siasa Joshua Makori Nyarinji uiboigo obaganiria maya
tikangiriri bageri yo kubaganiria engakingia ya matemwa ningegenete ngabali banyale ka bako ba prepare babikira bono babe tayari iko na basabire nga komo kora matemu mutwara boremu na inde musabe nyasaba konye eko garanta getene inu ni muri byongosi bya mambia iko na asabire nga nyasaba konye na inde mugendere ko bikomukia okukora matemu atari ko mwali bwe masomo ni maitenga ko ngosoka muri goche birasi bigoro iko inde mugendere ko rumukyo monene na inde mosome na inde ntobaganitia manyanga muita matemo ya sotanilia magimana cyo guchenji mambi
ukwana chinga kichi taroye ase skuru yoboroso ya Nyaboroba imeye wodi ya sensi nigoboigo arwese geto igoro yobuya bokurwani butaka wasama tukamange bwabere ekego cha sisemi
mwana nditayo takiri ora utakire kokosa kwa kusoma use mwana tayo utakire osari kuru skuru asengenje amangana chibese nimanyete nga abakunguna oboro banana lakini ndende nigongo sababa alimu na other stakeholders nga abana abambabwato kwanyo kwande kwa kusoma iko na asabire banyale ko eguribaga dio kusoma ikintu kia mwali na ragota bangalinga bana kana omerente no mweshimiwa Matiang'i karto kontenere na particularly kana mweresti kuri Kisii mwana nyutesimo na bagweto besana katanga mwana tayo takiri kwa sengenje amasomo bagatebanga abana ibatakire ko bere skuru eginteke nene kiagarire obutaka buri asemeche na sengenje oburayi butari obuya oburayi okonyoranga none kare chipasari chikorwewa echikoigwa bari babwate usese chino bari batabwati konyoranga ibese bikurugumbi ini abana baranyare gwaka no school fees igorende gento ndasaba bagambe bari bayasegeti bari bayiruri bagali okugambira abantu baito banyare ko make sure nga chibese chikutumugosa si constituency bine chipasari chaikira abana abaito banyare kwandira gusoma ko rano abwe byongosi bya mambia enyeke gutoka bono ntiriko bagacha mambi mbari cyo gutwara faida story
magaga ya Joshua nigatarire skuru yoboroso ya magena niria ya Kyonganyo no mwario ase skuru ya secondary ya Nyaboroba ase kirenge kekyo
chiskuru chonse sababu ya natarire skuru chonse sirikuli ali ngaliyo gosieka tadali abana abande bari gosieka skuru akora matemu kwansale igorende na chikonyali bakana cyo kwana nabo kwana abalimu nako ba pekara rende liberera ko batebya ngayaya nonye chinga kichinda okonyoranga amasomo na bagasiera nkongwa abana bande bakurwa semeje teri kwenyara abande okonyoranga none uniform babwati ndagira okonyoranga ogusiro koroko kongo
nkoroboterege toseni kya Getembe litrene nguruko Daniel Ontiri
ekero tukurwa ase county ya Nyamira mugavana we county ya Nyeri Moske Mutahi Kaiga nigo abeire oseniga asabiro kwabera ase chinkwana abwatugateri tkurigoro echibono cyarakanira gochia gochecheria ogosera ku Moske Raila Amolo Odinga kwana balikia mangana litkuria lero abarai gose nigo aboria na goteba nigo araririe kwetigia emirimo koba omokonyi bwa ekeombe bumenyakerogo bekeombe kelia kia Council of Governors.
Fellow Kenyans, I want to take this moment to address issues that have emanated from a vernacular clip that is circulating in social media. From the very onset, I want to sincerely apologize to our mourning nation, to the family of the Right Honorable former Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga, Mama Aida, her children Rosemary Jr. and Winnie, Honorable Senator Oburu Odinga and Honorable MP Ruth Odinga, and other siblings and their larger extended family, the ODM fraternity and the Luo nation and Kenyans at large. And to my colleague leaders from all sides of the political divide for any harm that it has elicited. The clip was taken while attending a burial in my home village, and my remarks were in no way celebratory. What I meant is that under the current broad-based government, we have seen skewed development and politically the loss of the Right Honorable former Prime Minister Raila Odinga sent everyone back to the drawing board. As the popular saying goes, God takes the best, and it is in this context that I made those remarks in vernacular. Let me also make it clear that the remarks I made are my personal views and therefore should in no way be associated with the community's position or any political affiliation, nor the Council of Governors. Finally, in noting the huge public interest that this issue has generated, I am taking responsibility of the real and perceived meaning of my remarks, and as a result, therefore, I have decided that with immediate effect, I am going to step down as the Vice Chair of the Council of Governors. And as I do that, I also pray that the soul of the Right Honorable Prime Minister Raila Odinga continue resting in eternal peace. God bless Kenya. Thank you very much.
Kwerusana nechi nkwane chio kiombe kia wa gavana nigo kia muimukiria kahiga egetambukiro na nigo giatebere baimukire getambukiro nokuraria buna umugavana uyu tari guchia kugendera koba omokonyi we kiombe kyo nigo kahiga tebetabuna amagendera Kenya nigo engeire Chinsa mo chaluo Nyanza asingencho ya Raila na nigo bono na gende Mount Kenya gekwera Raila tayo.
In a country where political awareness runs high, leaders must exercise both caution and deep sense of responsibility in their public utterances. Following our statement issued yesterday, we have convened a special council meeting to deliberate on the interpretation and impact of the utterances made by His Excellency Kahiga Mutahi, the Vice Chair of the Council of Governors, and the mitigation thereof. We wish to reiterate our deep disappointment on the statements by the Governor. We still maintain that these sentiments are his personal remarks that do not reflect or represent the views and the values of the Council of Governors. We therefore disassociate ourselves in toto and condemn these utterances, which were untimely, reckless, and unspeakable, especially at this time of deep mourning. In view of this, the Council has unanimously agreed to remove His Excellency Kahiga Mutahi from the leadership of the Council as the Vice Chair with immediate effect. We have also agreed that in due course we will hold another meeting where a new Vice Chair will be elected. But as of today, the resolution of this meeting is that the Council has passed a vote of no confidence on His Excellency Kahiga Mutahi and has agreed to remove him as Vice Chair with immediate effect.
Murai bwensi ya Kenya Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nigabolirie una omoske Raila Amolo Odinga aiwo maskaniae no nyandiria akwete kwana meye constituency ose kwana meye county ya West Pokot moske Kindiki nigo aichanera egekore kiabongoiga asumu governor we county ya Nyeri arakana kobeka chinkwana chitariko gokya igoro yugo kwa kumuske Raila Amolo Odinga.
Unajua kwamba tumepoteza kiongozi wetu ambaye alikuwa ni mheshimiwa Prime Minister wa zamani, na tumempumzisha pale kwa heshima kama kiongozi mzalendo ambaye alifanya mambo mengi kwa miaka mingi kuleta taifa pamoja. Si Mheshimiwa Prime Minister alikuwa kiongozi wetu jameni? Si alifanya kazi kubwa katika taifa letu la Kenya? Si mumeona tumempumzisha kwa heshima zote? Si tumepatia heshima zake? We accorded him a state burial, a state funeral with full military honors, with all the honors that can be given to a leader. He may not have been a head of state, but the things he has done are good for Kenya. And he has passed on as he was trying to bring Kenya together. We salute him and we pledge that we will continue with unifying Kenya, and that is the best thing we can do to honor and respect our departed Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga. Kwa hivyo wale wako na mambo ya kujaribu kuchokora amani, kutumheshimu wenzetu, tunawasihi kwa heshima waheshimu familia yake na waheshimu maisha yake, na tunaomba ya kwamba tukiendelea mbele nchi yetu itakuwa kwa umoja.
Gikaro ky'obulimi ky'omwaka o 2025 nigo gyachakire benerit kulia lero asamagacho yenyumba chiria chimesangerekana mu yomochio Nairobi KICC. Waziri b'obulimi Moske Mutahi Kagwe nigo bono abolirie abalimi kwegerera abasaye na kwegeria abasaye boigo obulimi nabo yokobali bagali otumika chinchira chekerero kugendereria sector y'obulimi na kwegendereria barabo abanyene.
There are opportunities in agriculture for the youth, particularly in value-adding agricultural products. That's where it is for you. There are opportunities in the growing of certain crops, and all crops can be profitable if grown properly. I can give you one example of a coffee farm that is not too far from here, where once the parents handed over the coffee farm to the next generation, the productivity per tree doubled. Literally doubled, because of the new way that the new generation is treating the soils, using proper fertilizers and so on. And it doubled in the production. So I am asking also those of you who are my age, not necessarily in this hall, but also outside the hall, the time has come for you to pass the torch to those who understand technology and those who know how to make better use in terms of productivity per acre, in terms of productivity per tree. Give them the mantle so that they can make better use of the land for their benefit as well as our benefit. Now I realize that culturally, there are those who are very tied to agriculture. You have to move with the time. I'm not asking you to hand over your farm to a stranger. I am simply asking you to hand over to the next generation. They are smarter than you think. They can do a better job of it than you can. They are more determined than you are. They know more than you do. And given all those variables, give them the opportunity. And Kenya will be that much better.
Our programs span income generation, youth employment, natural resource management, climate change mitigation, and of course food security. So covering really across all the agricultural sector. Over the years, we were managing to collaborate with more than 1.1 million farmers throughout Kenya.
65% of our total exports are agriculture driven. Of course, you know, tea and coffee being number one, horticulture, floriculture being second and third, but important crops like avocados are really...
Mulikyo botambe wizara y'obulimi Moske Paul Rono nigo abolirie abateneneri b'ekemerigie chakwimukiriwa egetambukiro kerichiko ayinkubwatikana n'ogwachagwe bonus enke y'ekemerigie kyo omwako yiga guchasa abalimi
na akitaki meeting wakulima enda kuchuna machani chai sitting allowance kicheput they were making noise yesterday in Nandi at the directors sitting allowance is 50,000 per sitting allowance.
Wacha niwaambie hapa na mwache story. Watu waache story. Wananchi wakulima wanataka iko kitu kingine. Sasa mkishinda hapa kwa bike tunafanya kila siku wewe chai sijui director amefanya. Director alichaguliwa na nani? Director alichaguliwa na nani? TBK, the regulator ya tea industry. Mkubwa ya TBK ni nani? Willy Mutai bila kuomba kitu moja leo. Kwa hii mazishi ya mzee. Kutoka leo. Hiyo wakulima yenu waache kupiga kelele. Patieni wao pesa yao. Wacheni kila saa kusema KTDA. KTDA inakujia watu kwa majani chai ya kulima hapa. Iko wapi inakujia? Let's stop that. Na watu waache siasa na pesa ya kulima. Ati mtu akitaka kutafuta kura anachukua microphone. Majani chai. Kwani majani chai ndio hakuna kitu kingine ya kuongea?
Pande huu wa majani chai tunaomba wakulima kwamba msiweze kununua chai. Muweze kununua wale wakora imesemekana hapa kwamba wanaendelea kuharibu ama kukula fedha ya wananchi.
Mkulima ameteseka sana. Hao watu wa KTDA kuna kitu moja nimeona. Ilikuwa kwa firo lingine. Madirectors ni kama wanaongelesha wakulima na kisirani kidogo. Wasu sana, mwende muongee vizuri kwa sababu nimeona umewakilisha Kirinyaga. Ni nyinyi madirectors mmeumiza wakulima wetu. Ongeza bei ya chai.
Lakini tuko mwisho wa ngoi. Because the time ni goni joba osabche arabustine. Kuilwa kwa gonye. And kama nyama na kilisho I think what are at home and also as more as will at home.
Mugavana Mukorwe County ya West Pokot Moski John Ronyangapuo no yobwangoiga kochia ko ose kolia eira yokumubwatesia omorai bwense ya Kenya nigatebirero ngamorayo yo nigabeira ama arigakorere amagendro amange na kobolia ababwatani ba West Pokot kochia kumubwatesia moske chingaki icho mwaka ogocha o 2027.
Umeona hii group watu hawa wanapiga kura Uganda sababu ni watu ya huko, wengine wanapiga kura Kenya sababu ni watu ya huko, wengi wamepoteza kipande. Na nasikia ati unalipa shilingi ngapi hivi ati replacement. Nataka niombe kwamba tangaza hii watu wameninong'onezea ati kuna wengine wanadai wanga. Tangaza ni free na kila mtu mwenye ajenda kupata kipande alete ijae. Sindio? Na nilisikia za ile ulisema mzee ni wewe. Ulisema hivyo.
Sisi ni watu ya mzee.
Kwa sababu
si mzee yako sawa. Mzee ni yako sawa. Sema ni hoye. Acha nione wale wanasema tuendelee namna hiyo. Bas.
Mwisho, Your Excellency, hata mimi ni mmoja ya tuta.
Good.
Na najui mimi mmoja ya tuta. Nimepamisha nini? Tutam hoye. Wapi tutam yangu? Tapia ya Profesa Kindiki na Ronyangapuo ni tutam. Sindio? Sasa msininyime haki yangu.
Bas.
Kama mlimba kachapin yule. Kwa nini nisipate yangu ama?
Tisikia korerabo atamini tashkuru egekaira ankyonerit ko Wilson Makori no arengaseme manyelio Mike Walls kana kechivicha chiago chirevia Mkate Enock na lile Italiana kwa niaba ya basaki bonspi negetasini kiga kia Getembe to wakirabe bana singencho asemia ketano ya lile you've been wonderful to us na se umwaka to seruga tano limo sawa twanchire ngantogenda na ntogenda kawera ga chinga gichonsi weka ankyo oye bwanya sae bogwisana oye bwanya sae bongisana ko tebiga otko
Baraka ninjo ninjo Getembe ninjo dorome ninjo manana man ninjo bagina ninjo
naki omorangi aka ngumbu owonje jingu bachina kuoma usanga ro nenga maji yene nkwana yo mugirango ro omorangi aka ngumbu owonje jingu bachina kuoma okogonja kirosi usanga ro nenga maji yene nkwana mono yaragete okorendege saku ekomubwaterarete kalimo kubwaterana n'abandi biya kabisa na muko rendege saku umurangi yaka ayatanga na ngumbu abo usanga ronenga maje datango ichare na bigo abo na umusi atayete nchika bironga umurangi yaka ngumbu oje shingu bachina kuoma usanga rogoro nenga mache
Pagaka ninjo, ninjo getembe, ninjo dorome, ninjo mangana man, ninjo pangina ninjo.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatoka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo karose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu bilia bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nigwa amavuta yani oil na wigo chire chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabati wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora gwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone Uhuru na bwate.